Replacing the key fob battery in a 2014-2018 Mini Cooper is a simple DIY task. This video covers Mini Cooper models including the Cooper, Cooper S, John Cooper Works, and convertible variants. You'll need a CR232 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool. No programming is typically required after replacement. The process should take only 5 to 10 minutes, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. A new CR232 battery typically costs between $3 and $5. First, locate the seam on the key fob, usually near the keyring. Insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam and gently pry open the two halves of the fob. Remove the old CR232 battery, noting its orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new CR232 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together securely. Test the key fob to ensure it's working. If it doesn't work, consult your Mini Cooper manual for potential resyncing instructions, though this is rarely needed. Eco-friendly rechargeable CR232 alternatives are also available.